Yo, what up? It's your boy Wiz Khalifa, and you checking me out right here on the Boombox.
Yeah, you know what it is. Black and yellow, black and yellow, black and yellow, black and yellow. Yeah, you know what it is. Black and yellow, black and yellow, black and yellow, black and yellow.
I graduated high school in like 2006, and right about then, that's when I signed my first major deal to Warner Brothers. I've been working for a long time. I've been putting out mixtapes forever. And at first it started out a single deal, and then the single started doing pretty well, so they went into the album deal. But the album ended up not ever even coming out, just with differences in direction. So it was at that point, where me and my team that I had originally signed with Rostrum Records, where we really just decided, we were gonna kind of walk away from that and rebuild what we had already been starting, because we started a movement before we signed with Warner. And then I started working for myself a whole lot, just with the internet and the social media and staying in touch with my fans, and everybody kind of caught on to it and it became like a craze. Taylor Gang or Die.
No keys, push to start. Yeah, you know what it is.
Me and Snoop working on a movie called High School. It's going to be like a buddy movie. I got Snoop to do the G-Mix for Black and Yellow. And when we talked on the phone, he was just telling me how much of a fan of my movement that he was. His son had actually put him onto it, and as soon as he got onto it, he was loving it. So it was like, yo, we got to do this. Like, when we met, that's when we talked about the movie. It's going to be good to let people see me in a different light. They're starting to see a lot of the work that I put in before, and they're starting to recognize it. And also, I'm still putting in work this year that's relevant, with my single, doing what it's doing still, and going into my album. So, everything's just looking really good. Everything's just super positive, and I worked real hard to get to this point. So it's like, I think now is the biggest point for me.
Screaming that's not when I pulled off the lot, that's stunned. Reppin' my town when you see me,
It's awesome to be from Pittsburgh. Nobody is really out there from Pittsburgh right now, so my whole city supports me. I actually had to get another car that wasn't black and yellow so I could drive around the city, and they still noticed me in that car. I never really got to be like the big sports guy, but I watch all Steelers games. The Taylor Gang really started just in my head. It was like a lifestyle, everything that I believe in, and stuff that I learned growing up and getting older and maturing, and the things that really stuck with me. That's just what Taylor Gang is. So anybody who feels like that or acts like that, lives like that, you know what I'm saying? That's Taylor Gang. And it started just because I named it Taylor Gang because of Chuck Taylor, but it's really because I wore Chucks in high school, and so that's kind of what I became known for.
I put it down, Taylor Gang.
Hey, thanks for hanging out with me, and thanks for letting me hang out with you. I got some baked goodies waiting for me in the car, so I'm out of here. Peace.
Screaming that's not when I pulled off the lot.